cooking class, so I will learn how to cook in Vietnam. Yeah, Vietnamese food, and I also wearing the Vietnamese clothes and it's traditional clothes of Vietnam, and we will see how fun the class is. Check it out. Jadi kita cari ingredientnya, ditemenin sama si masnya ini tour guide kita. We're looking for our fresh ingredient to cook.
시장이네.
And banana, yeah.
And mango string and passion fruit.
Yeah, I have it. It's almost same in Indonesia.
And we eat the celery. String onion. And a lot of salad and
Jadi dia milihin ingredient buat kita. That one, we'll try search another one.
yeah.
What's the okay? The taste is
Only
same,
got the
yeah?
same, small and big one.
Oh, just size, okay. Yeah, small one. And this one is big one.
Tàu lót học gì nữa.
Only leaf and this one no need.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Everything.
And now this is papaya. After I make this vegetable, clean up and everything, now I have to cut the papaya.
Okay, anything too small.
Okay, cut it small. Let's go. Ingredient yang tadi. Jadi apakah ala kadabra?